Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable 120Hz refresh rate smooth display in this device. 120Hz means that the display refreshes its image 120 times per second. For this, go to settings. So here you can see the option display. Tap on this one. Now tap on the option motion smoothness. So when you enter motion smoothness, you can see two options, adaptive and standard. So here you can see I already selected the option adaptive. Here you can see what is adaptive motion smoothness. Get smoother animation and scrolling by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz. Okay, if you want to enable 120 Hz refresh rate, then you need to select the option adaptive. So here you can see one more standard. Get a longer battery life by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate up to 60 Hz. Okay, actually higher the Hertz number, the smoother motion on the screen will appear. So to enable 120 Hz refresh rate, you need to select the option adaptive. Okay, so here also you can see the difference, adaptive motion smoothness and standard motion smoothness. Here you can see the difference. Let me show you. Here you can see. So simply in this way you can enable 120 Hz refresh rate smooth display in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.